So this is to help explain the bug that happens when you remove a print by selecting 0 colors. I'm going to do a 3-color front, 3-color back, a 1-color left sleeve. Not sure why there are no ink types. Label print is neck label, so this one here can actually be hidden and it's only a 1 color, which is by default when you select label print. So yeah, we have 3-color, 3 and 1 left sleeve. Start the order. Minimum quantity of 50. Let's add 500. That worked great. So here we'll see front 3, back 3, left sleeve 1. We did have mock-ups for each of these. So the wrong color garment as well as the mock-up is not coming through properly. So I'm going to hit return to product and time it. Return to product, start the timer. For some reason it's going extremely slow. I don't know if that has to do with this URL or what it is, but it's 13 seconds to go back. This image here got reset. It used to be a model image, and all the mock-ups disappeared that were saved and the artwork that was here has also disappeared. This saved, so if I go say, you know what, it's too expensive with the front, I'm going to remove the front and hit start order. Another bug here, we have 500 in the quantity, but it's showing us 50, so it won't let us go through. Great. Let's try 5,220. So this one allowed us to go through after changing the quantity. But now that we've removed the front by selecting 0 color, the tab is still here. And label should always be 1 color. So return to product. See if this time it's any better in speed. Yeah, it looks a little better. We sent a little note about removing this opacity on each of these images here and kind of lining this up. And that's it for this video.